Is YouTube automation still worth it in 2023? Hi there, Gareth of Channel Profits here. So this is a question that I get asked a lot, as people are always worried that they've waited too long and now they've missed the boat. And to be honest, I can see why, with YouTube changing the rules, a ton of new competition, and the recent rise of AI. But contrary to clickbait videos I see out there claiming that YouTube automation is a scam, I can tell you that it is still, in my opinion, the best long-term online business opportunity for 2023. YouTube isn't going anywhere, and creating faceless channels allows for easy scaling. However, after starting a brand new YouTube automation channel at the start of 2023, I am noticing some differences, both good and bad, that you need to be aware of if you want to be successful. With that said, if you would like full step-by-step training on how I leverage the YouTube algorithm for faster growth, then check out the links in the video description after. So the first point I've noticed is that the barrier of entry for many niches has gone up. With more faceless channels getting launched every day, competition has increased. And if you want to stand out from the crowd, then you need to create better quality videos. This means better scripts, thumbnails, voiceovers, and editing. So try to make sure you are creating videos people actually want to watch. Look at the competition and create something similar or slightly better. Speaking of quality, the next big thing we need to talk about is AI. That's AI voices, editors, and script writing tools. AI is taking over, and although I'm a massive fan, there are pros and cons which often leads to confusion or a risk of not getting monetized. The first point is that we can expect to see a flood of new content hitting YouTube in every single niche, as YouTubers around the world catch on. This is a great opportunity, as we now have the ability to create good content quickly for our channels. Even beginners can create faceless videos with ease. But with any boom, there will be a bust. With so many channels creating similar content in the same way, viewers will quickly get jaded. So channels will have to find new ways to add value and stand apart from the competition. The platform will be getting swamped with low-quality content. This is why I recommend outsourcing as quickly as you can to improve the quality of your content. Those who continuously improve and adapt will win long-term. There is also the chance of greater backlash from YouTube as they try to fight the tidal wave of new content. They will never fully block the use of stock footage, as all channels use B-roll clips, so they would have to demonetize just about everyone. But they may start to enforce the repetitive and reused content policy more. This is a vague policy that allows them not to monetize if they feel you are creating low-effort content that is too similar to others. For example, YouTube has no actual policy on AI voices, yet some channels don't get monetized for having them. This is normally because the overall quality and effort of your video is low. YouTube can be very forgiving if you look like you put the effort into making good original videos. So I recommend trying to excel in at least one of these three areas: script writing, voiceovers, or video editing. If you use AI for the voice and script, then add value by creating a really good video. Perhaps use a whiteboard video instead of stock footage. If, however, you use AI for the video and script, then create a great voiceover to go with it. You want to do something to add value. Remember, AI tools are great for YouTube, but they are just that, tools. They are there to help save you time and money, but not 100% replace you. You are still a YouTuber creating videos for real human beings. The next thing I'm noticing is that with all the new content hitting the platform, many niches are seeing diminishing returns. This is because there is much more content for ads to be shown on. That means there are less businesses bidding for ad spaces on your videos, which reduces the average CPMs for niches. So ad revenue for channels will be lower. In a nutshell, you may make slightly less from your ad revenue, which makes it even more important to pick niches you can monetize in other ways. It's not always about going for the highest CPM niches. You want volume and easy revenue streams. I've said it before and I'll say it again, YouTube ads are the smallest part of my income from channels. So those who treat YouTube as a real business rather than a quick cash grab will always win out. With that said, if you would like to know how I build channels for profit and leverage the YouTube algorithm to accelerate growth, then check out the links in the video description. Thanks for watching, and until next time.